it's me, Janina. Again, you're seeing me in part 3 of Science of my homework. Wait, Science? My homework. What am I saying? Okay, my science homework. So this is the front page, which I thought you'd rather see because the last page we did this. Remember, everyone? Okay, let's go to the next page, which we have to continue. Let's go. Okay, I have to explain why Paul repeats his test 3 times before each force. Now, why does he do that? Some people think it's fair test, but be careful, it's not fair test. So, actually, the answer is to get a reliable test. Okay, reliable test. I accidentally mixed up my words, sorry. Now, let's go to the next question. Paul hits the triangle gently 3 times. The volume was not same each time. Explain why the volume of the sound was not same each time. Why do you think it was not same? So okay, as I was saying, now if you can think about now, but I'm just telling us something important. If you want to write answers, you can just write 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 below the comments and write the answers about this all. So if you don't want to do it, it's your choice. But so maybe you think already. So the correct answer is because he put more force in the 1 and less in the 2, hard in 3. Now, as you can see, we have matching problems, and I've already done that. So better not to do it in this video because it's kind of, you cannot do it because I can't show the answers. Plus, I have to say everything. Now, here. Anita plays a violin with a bow. Now, there's a question number 5. How would she make the volume quieter? How? Use less force of making the sound. Now, what 2 things could she play with a note with a higher pitch? What 2 things could she play with the violin in the lower pitch? I just wrote Twinkle, Twinkle Little Star because it has high pitch. Look, twinkle, twinkle. It's going higher and higher. And the other, Into the Unknown. Now, you know the song. If you know, then you can see me in the last I think last week's video. I sent it Into the Unknown, that song. Now let's just go to the next one. Here are 4 statements about how a violin makes a note and sound reaches to our ears. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 questions, arranging the words. So it may take time for doing this because I really don't want to mix up it. So I'm just going to go to the next question. Quit that question. So let's go to next. Let's get this reading. Okay. We need to keep some factors the same. This is the important thing because this was in my learner's book, so it's here. We need to keep the factors same. Now, why do we need to keep the factors same? Yes, because we need to make it a fair test. Fair test is a key word. Okay. In the above investigation, Angie suggests that these factors be kept the same. Control. Okay, which of the following factors are not a controlled factor? Tick the correct answer. Since you can't do this, I'm going to say it out. Is it the same distance from, wait, you can write it while I'm saying, okay? So that you can get this more learning better. Same distance of the source of, same distance from the source of sound to the sound level meter. Same shoebox with lid. The materials need to be tested. Same thickness of the materials that used for the wrapping the source of sound. Same volume of sound. Now think it. Well, now that if you're done with your answer, well, you can pause it while you're writing because it could be a bit hard for you because I'm saying a bit quick. So the answer is same thickness of material that is used for wrapping the source of sound. That is the correct answer. Let's go to the next question. 7th question. We're in 7th question. That's a lot. Perry investigates water movement in celery. He has 4 different lengths of celery. He puts them in red ink. So it's colored water. That's why it's written brackets. Now, this is the celery leaves. These are the red ink. This is the celery stem. And now we'll watch you in part 4. Bye.